Alright, so for some of you guys, I haven't done a trading video in a long time, so for some of you guys, I just wanted to show you this. And by the way, today's date is 7/12/2023. So at any given time, whenever you get a chance to look at these charts to compare for yourself to see if these were legit moves or not, you'll be able to see the date right here so that you can see, okay, yeah, that did happen. And as you can see, I'm on the 4-hour time frame. And so right here, and this is a time frame, 4 hours. So I'm going to show you a series of trades, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to show you 5 trades that I'm currently in right here. So for those who don't want to be in front of the charts, the simplicity system is still a beast. Look at this trade right off the 4-hour time frame. And this is a GBP, JPY. The GBP, all the JPY pairs were going crazy, but Japan had apparently reconsidered lifting their interest rates. They may do it. So therefore, that long stream of beat up that was happening to the upside is now over. So you can see that right there. So again, with the simplicity system, in use in combination with my sexy analyst system, just easy to spot this stuff. So if you were a truck driver, somebody on the road, all you had to do was wait for the 4-hour arrow, and you could have took it, or you could have did like me. I like the 30-minute time frame, where you can see right here was my entry. Okay, check the 4-hour. Okay, and then you can pick either the 15-minute or 30-minute to enter if you want to get in quicker. But look at that, did a little pullback. Pull back again, and then just dropped off the mountain. Okay, or you could just took the arrow right off the 4. So I'll put that down as 329 pips. Okay, let's go to my next one, and that's NZD JPY. Same thing pretty much. As you can see right here, right off the 4-hour, dead drop. That's 256 pips right there. Okay, or again, I like to enter either on the 15-minute or 30-minute. Okay. But for the sake of argument and time of the video, I'll just go to the 30-minute where you can probably see it. And that was there. You could have got in way earlier if you would have did the 30-minute. And certainly enough, if you would have did the 15, you would have got in even earlier than that, which means right here would have been your entry. So you actually would have made more if you were using my system. The same simplicity system with the sexy analyst. Yeah, charts are locking up on me. Sorry. Okay, there we go. So now, using the crosshairs, if you got in there, you would have added an additional 62 pips onto what we already have. But again, hey, pips are pips, so we're not tripping. Okay, so let's go here and lock that back. So if you took the arrow, though, you still did very well there. Okay, 257 now. We're at 257. So let me change that over to 257. All right. Let's go to another one. GBP NZD. GBP had retested, and this is the current trade I'm in. You can see where it's retested right here on that level on the 4-hour. I drop down to the 15-minute, and you can see here's the arrow right here. So it's just meandering, going back and forth, back and forth. So I'll just be patient and wait. And if it doesn't work out, that's what the stop loss is for. Okay, let's go to another one, GCAD. GCAD is doing very well, as you can see right there. Currently 60 pips. I got in a little bit late on this one. It came up right here, retested, and still was able to hop in for a good trade. So that's 60 pips. I'll take the 60 and keep it rolling. See right there? Could have got in on the 30-minute. So there you go. Now this one here, I'm telling you ahead of time what I'm going to do. I'm going to reduce my lot size and lock in some of this profit. The reason why is because when it has these sharp angles like this where it drops and it's not a retest, what happens is many times it'll come down, shoot right back up and retest this level and knock out all your profits. So let me show you what I mean. Let's go back to GBP NZD. See how it went down and then suddenly popped and cleaned up all their profit. See, and now you got it. So let's go back to GCAD. I think it's going to do the same thing. So it's dropping. It's going to stop at some point, probably right here at this level right here. Okay, it's going to drop and then after that, pop all the way back up. And if you want to hold it, that's cool. But if not, I don't see the retest level up here, which means it might not do it, but most often it does. As you can see, it does here, shoots up, then retest, and then it's done. It drops, retests, see, shoots up, retest, and then the final run. So I think this one's going to do that same thing. It's going to drop, retest, and then it'll do its final run. So matter of fact, why don't we just go ahead and close the profit here. Take that 60 and we're done with that. Okay. Hope this is making sense. I'm explaining the logic behind trades. Okay, and then let's take a look at this last one. And this is one that I'm freshly in. Okay, so as you can see how it went, and it's retesting the level. Okay, going all the way back here, here, here in this range. So sometimes it won't hit perfectly, but you can catch a range. Okay, you see that range. See that range right there? That's where my stop loss is, below that range. So see how it went? It came down, shot up, came down, shot up big, retested, and then it did its thing. Same thing here, came down, shot up, retested, and then took off. So this one here, I'm expecting it to do the same thing possibly, and let it go do its first takeoff, then come back and retest. So I'll take some profit when it shoots up. If it does, I'll take some profit when it shoots up, and then when it comes back and retest, then I'll re-enter it again and let it go for the gusto. Okay. All right, you guys. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. It's been a minute. So again, if you want some education, you want the trading system, and I want to be clear, whenever you purchase the Simplicity system, it comes with my weekly classes for free. I don't charge for the classes. I just want everybody to be clear on that. I don't charge for the classes. I don't charge for the classes. Okay. There's no charge for it. Okay. Just it's like buying a textbook. Okay. It's like literally buying a textbook for a college class. Okay. You can't be in a college class without the same textbook that everybody else has. So we have two things that I typically use when I'm trading is our Simplicity system, and I use it in combination with our Sexy Analyst. That's what I always do. So again, that's the tools I'm using. You're looking at live trades. I'm explaining it to you. I'm explaining the logic and everything so you'll really get the gist. Okay. By the way, another thing is, I forgot to do this. When you just don't pay attention, don't worry about it. So with your stops, you can move that down some as well, just in case the price action pops up. Guess what? Doesn't matter. I'm locked in. I'm good to go. So that'll be $2,000 no matter what, 2,200 no matter what. It's locked in. So if the price action suddenly pops up and it'll go through here, and okay, you're still good to go. Okay. All right. So hopefully that made sense to some of you guys on this particular video. Again, hit the link below and sign up for the Simplicity system and the Sexy Analyst, and you'll be having the same trading tools. And I'll talk to you every Wednesday. That's when I do my class, every Wednesday. And they are recorded just in case you can't make it. Okay. But if you have any comments or questions or anything about my logic on my strategy, just leave a comment or question below, or shoot me an email to superezforex@gmail.com, and I'll be more than happy to answer your question and try to help you out and give you some guidance as a coach. Okay? Thank you.